Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept multiple payment methods with Jotform. So all you have to do is head over to jotform.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So first, we're going to create a form. Just click on the create button, then choose form, and we're just going to start from scratch. And we're just going to choose classic form. And from here, we're just going to rename this form as transaction. Then next, click on add element, scroll down and look for single choice. We're going to add this here. And from here, you can add more options depending on how many payment methods you're going to create. But in our case, I'm just going to create two. And we're going to name the first one PayPal and the other one as purchase order. Then next, back in the left panel, we're just going to switch on widgets, then search in iframe. Then we're just going to drag this embed twice on our form. Also, we're going to rename this as choose payment method. Then just head back to Jotform. Now we're just going to create a separate form for PayPal and purchase order. Once again, click on create and just create a new form. And from here, let's start by naming this as PayPal. Then click on add element and you can ask basic information, add in on your form. Then next, switch to payments and we're just going to grab PayPal and drag it in our form. We're just going to click on this field and add product. Then once done, click on publish. Then make sure that you copy the link to this form and do the same with purchase order. Also, make sure that you add in a payment connection for you to be able to collect payments online. Then once again, click on publish and copy this link. And now we're just going to go back to our transaction form. Next is just click on our iframe embed. First embed, then click on widget settings, then frame URL. So we're going to set PayPal for this specific iframe embed. Just copy the link, then paste it here, then click on update. The same with purchase order. Then lastly, switch on settings, click on conditions, and show or hide field. That if customer choose payment method is equal to PayPal. So when they choose PayPal as payment method, show, we're going to show the iframe ID4. Then click on save and add another condition. If the customer choose purchase order, show the widget 5, ID 5. Then click on save. And we're basically done here. And if we open the form in a new tab, this is now how it looks. If they click on PayPal, the PayPal payment will pop up, the same with purchase order. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!